up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today is a beautiful day in Georgia. It feels like we're almost getting into springtime, but I know better than that. I know we still got a cold front coming. Today we have a 2025 GMC Sierra AT4. Beautiful slate gray metallic paint. This is one of my favorite colors that GM has right now. This truck is a diesel Duramax 3.0. We're going to be doing a 6-inch lift, some 35-inch Toyo MT tires, and some 22x10 fuel Rebel wheels. So stay tuned and let me know what you think about the truck. All right, so here's our truck, guys. Couldn't ask for a better truck to start on. This one's beautiful. Hey, he already has a small lift, tires and wheels on it. Looks like he's got the, I think this is a 2-inch ready lift or 2.25 inch, whatever it is. Looks like he's got some 35-inch Toyo Open Country AT3s currently with some 20x9 all black fuel Rebel wheels. So what we're going to be doing is the 6-inch rough country lift. We're upgrading it to the M1 strut and the M1 shock in the rear. Now this isn't an option that Rough Country offers on their website, so we kind of had to piece the kit together to make it happen, but that's what we're going to do. 35-inch Toyo MTs are going to look amazing comparatively speaking to this all-terrain, and that 22x10 wheel is going to stick out a little bit like the truck we posted yesterday. So very excited about this this truck, guys. Let me know what you think. My customer drove from Hawkinsville, Georgia this morning. He said it's about 100 and something miles away. So I appreciate him. I know he stayed in a hotel last night, so we're going to do everything we can to get this truck done today for him. Stay tuned. So GMC AT4, let's check it out. I don't need any copyright problems. It beeps and lets you know you're in here for sure. Some of them beep more than others. This truck beeps a lot. I don't know why. Very excited to get it started. We're going to pull around now to the second bay on the other side of the shop, so they can go ahead and get started on it, get all the parts pulled out, get all the tires staged with the wheels so they can go ahead and start on that. And we should be able to get this thing done today. We'll see. Wondering about the struts from Rough Country, they have two different ones. They have the N3 or they have this M1 strut. What this does is it replaces the factory strut mount, coil spring, and strut from Rough Country. It's directly bolted in, comes right in the box like this. You don't have to do any assembly or anything like that. And there are settings on this. If you look underneath there, you may see the rings. I don't think they're visible on this one, but you can actually press that spring off of this strut and do adjustments. Like if you put a big bumper on the front of the truck and it weighs down the truck really bad, you can put more adjustment into the strut to get the ride height back. I got good news. We got our GMC AT4 ready, and my customer's standing in the front office right now ready to go home, so I'm gonna make this quick. But I wanted to say I really appreciate him. He drove from Hawkinsville, Georgia, he said this morning, and he's about to head home now. He's got about probably a 2-hour ride home, but man, I couldn't be happier with it. I'm gonna flip the camera around and show you what I got here. The colors on this truck alone tie it together very well. If you saw yesterday's video of the rough country lift kit with the cross member piece, the little badge over the top, we did it again on this truck. So I'm gonna show you that. Let me know what you think. Here's our truck, absolutely flawless. It's a 2025 GMC 1500 AT4 Sierra. Truck has like, I think 5,000 miles on it. It's brand new. I want to do a little shout out to my customer. This is his business, National Equipment Dealers, I guess. I don't even know if that's the name of his company, to be honest with you, but he sells equipment for a living, big construction equipment and stuff like that. So anyways, the AT4 has its own special grille on this truck. I really like it. The black and the silver looks amazing together. And then we did the tires and wheels, 35, 12, 50, 22 Toyo Open Country MTs. Absolutely a classic. This is a very, very long time they've run this tread design. And the reason they haven't changed it is the tire is great. It does good, it sells good, it rides good, looks good, has plenty of mileage to it. Probably get 50, 60,000 miles out of a set of these if you rotate them right. The 6-inch rough country lift we did, we upgraded the struts to the M1 strut, which is not an option when you go to buy the kit for this truck on their website, but we added the struts and shocks separately so he could get those. Then in the front, we did the diesel kit. Of course, this is a diesel truck, so it did get the diesel kit. Has that faceplate on the front versus that big cross member. I think it looks phenomenal. The color of this truck is the slate gray metallic. It's a GM color for 2023 and up, and I love it. It looks amazing. This wheel is the fuel anthracite color. It's like a gunmetal color. It goes very, very nicely with that gray. So, let me know what you think about the wheels. Did he make the right choice? I think so. Stance of it is perfect. Tire sticks out just about an inch past the fender. Everything looks great there. Real quick, we'll go over the interior. Truck has of course, the AT4 comes with this black leather with the like the brown leather pieces in it. Looks amazing. There's your AT4 badge. Nothing cheap about this truck. It has the big screens, nice interior. This is the upper class model of the AT4. If you have any questions about this build, you know where to find me. I'm at Southern Tire, McDonough, Georgia. My name's Jake. The number here is 678-994-9180. And once again, as always, I appreciate all you watching and coming and seeing me. Thank you.